According to the National Interagency Fire Center, Southwest Montana is going to be dealing with above normal fire potential.
Fire is inevitable, so we know it's going to happen. We always plan for the worst because, to be honest, we never know what fire season is going to, what our fire season is going to be until after it's already come.
With more people visiting parks during this dry time for Montana, preparation and prevention is key to help stop wildfires from spreading. Most wildfires are attributed to human activity. 70 to 80% of fires are human caused. The number one cause of wildfires are debris burning. The second is campfires that have escaped or were abandoned. The third cause is equipment, parking a vehicle on tall grass, target shooting, trailer chains, dragging, and causing a spark. At Lewis and Clark State Park, the campgrounds have been full every single night since reopening. Armstrong said that the park takes precautions in order to decrease the chance of a wildfire.
The first level of fire restriction is smokers have to be in an area that's safe to smoke. So we have lots of those areas built in. So even though there isn't a restriction, most of the ashtrays are already located in a spot that would be for that.
There are fire pits throughout the campsite. Fire pits within the woods were taken out years ago because they thought it would be harder to control.
If you have it in the fire ring, we consider it safe, but any other place would be unsafe.
But if a wildfire does start, make sure that you're prepared for the fire and smoke. DNRC will provide a free wildfire risk home assessment by fire professionals.
Make sure we're changing our air filters, getting ready for our smoke-filled air that probably will be coming, and preparing our homes and property.
In Whitehall, Caitlin Aguilez, MTN News.